Every tank comes with thermometers. This one's equipped with a 2-inch dial thermometer so we can register the temperature of the asphalt in this tank and see it here. Standard equipment is a pencil thermometer located inside this well. So by removing this cap and pulling the thermometer out, you then can check the temperature of the oil from this. Please remember that these thermometers are located halfway up on the side of the tank. So if we have less than half a load, we will be reading air temperature and not oil temperature, and that could vary. So make sure you pay attention to the temperature of your oil. This is our hydraulic tank. We use a Texaco Rando HD46 hydraulic oil or equivalent. This supplies hydraulic oil to our complete system. It has a sight gauge that you can see the level of the oil in the tank. So you always want to make sure you see hydraulic oil in this sight gauge to make sure we have the proper amount in the system. We also have a temperature gauge on the outside of this tank, which will monitor the temperature of the hydraulic oil, a filler cap, and a breather to be able to breathe. On this end of the tank, you have 2 hydraulic filters. They have indicators on them for vacuum, so as your filter would get plugged, it will show you if your filter is being plugged or not. These 2 filters are both spin-on, but they are different filters, so please check your parts manuals and order the correct filters for each one. There is also a temperature sender on the bottom of this tank that is wired to the computer, so if your hydraulic oil temperature exceeds 180 degrees, it will send the alarm off on the computer. At that point, somebody needs to shut down the operation and find out why our hydraulic oil is overheating. Units that are equipped with LPG burners come with a standard 52-gallon frame-mounted LP tank. Now this tank may be located on either side of the truck depending on what truck frame we have to work with. But we are hooked to the liquid port on this tank. Our burners are burning the liquid portion of this LP, which burns hotter. There is also a vapor port on this tank. If you wanted to use a portable vapor burner, you could hook it up to this. It's all certified for fills. There is a level indicator on this LP tank also. Located in the cab is the main control box. This is where all your 1-foot controlled switches are, your master spray, your hydraulics for lift, shift, and fold, your spray bar, your power. This truck is equipped with front and rear suction, and of course our suck back override switch, a start switch, a digital display, and our memories for our application rate. This panel will be covered under another section of our video series.